subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched two new camera-centric phone under X series in China called Vivo X100 and Vivo X100 Pro. Both of this device looks quite identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Vivo X100 Pro is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's see the specifications of the Vivo X100 Pro smartphone. The Vivo X100 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 2K resolution LTPO AMOLED curved display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of RAM, and 256, 512, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo X100 Pro sports an Zeiss-featured triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony IMX989 sensor, plus 50-megapixel super telephoto lens, with 4.3x optical zoom support, and another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 119-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5400 mAh battery, with 100 watts wired, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.3 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 221 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Vivo X100 Pro smartphone. The Vivo X100 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Sunset Orange, Star Blue, Moonlight White, and Midnight Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X100 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.